Okay, so Nitin, you are a mechanical engineer going for master's program interview in Satara Department IIT Bombay, right?
Yes, sir.
I want your very brief introduction from where you are and what is your CGPA, GATE score, category, and your BTech final year project, and why you want to go for Satara. These things.
Sir, my name is Nitin Mahoria, and I did my schooling from Kailashpat Singhania High School, Vijaygram, and I completed my BE in Mechanical Engineering from Nagpur University. My GATE score is 686 with my BTech CGPA as 8.69. Sir, the reason I want to go for Sitara department is that actually, sir, I want to do something for the development of the rural people. So, in the terms of my project was generally related to that only. Of my final year project was feasibility test on the use of domestic refrigerator as an air conditioner.
Okay,
Sir,
what did you do in that?
Sir, actually, our aim was to combine refrigerator and we have to use that same refrigerator's compressor to convert it into a air conditioner. Sir, by means of just doing arrangement in its compressor wall, by means of doing some arrangement in that compressor.
So what arrangement did you do?
Sir, in that single compressor, we actually use the butterfly valve to give that refrigerant flow in another direction. Means at a time, generally only one setup would be activated. Means if you are trying to run a refrigerator, then it may get operated or air conditioner one at a time. So we had given arrangement in the compressor section that when we will open that butterfly valve, the refrigerant used to flow in the air conditioner, and sir, it may produce the cooling effect with the same compressor. So we were just taking a feasibility test to check whether that it would work or not.
No, but Nitin, it is not clear to me. What kind of compressor do you use in domestic refrigerator?
Sir, it is the general compressor that we generally use in our household refrigerator. By means of that, we were trying to develop a system.
It is called hermetically sealed compressor.
Yes.
Do you know domestic refrigerator में कौन सा compressor use करते हैं हम? There is a reciprocating compressor. There is a centrifugal compressor. What category is this?
Sir, these are generally centrifugal compressors only.
Hermetically sealed compressor क्या होता है?
Sir, hermetically sealed compressor means in which directly we can't do modification in terms of maintenance or something else.
Okay. तो आपने इस compressor का कैसे use किया refrigeration air conditioning produce करने के लिए?
Sir, actually, when we are trying to use that compressor, we provided the two joints in which we provided some arrangement of butterfly valve, and after that we attach a water cool condenser in parallel, and after that whole assembly was attached to the finned evaporator, and by the means of a duct we were trying to produce a cooling effect from that air conditioner.
Vapor compression refrigeration cycle, you know that?
Yes, sir.
What is normally COP of that cycle?
Sir, you are asking of a refrigerator or air conditioner?
No, vapor compression refrigeration.
Sir, not sure, but it may be around range from 3 to 4.
Can you tell me the 4 cycles, 4 processes in VCR?
Sir, 4 processes in
VCR, vapor compression refrigeration. Yeah.
Sir, first of all, there is the compression. After compression, the refrigerant goes to after compression, the refrigerant goes to condenser. After condenser, it goes to expansion valve, and after that, it comes back to evaporator.
Okay. So expansion process के बारे में बताओ. What kind of process is expansion process?
Sir, generally speaking, expansion process is it is isentropic expansion.
Are you sure?
Sir, yeah.
Vapor compression refrigeration, I'm asking. VCR.
Yeah, sir, it is isentropic.
Cycle is clockwise or counterclockwise?
Sir, all the work producing cycles are clockwise, but hence it is work consuming cycle, therefore it is anti-clockwise cycle.
Okay, so after condensation, what process is there?
After condensation, generally expansion occurs.
Expansion. So where do you take that expansion in VCR?
Sir, generally the expansion takes place before evaporator.
नहीं, कौन सा process है? Expansion कहाँ पे हो रही है? कौन से device में हो रही है? Is the expansion?
Yeah, in throttle valve.
Throttle valve. What is the throttle valve?
Throttle wall is generally a constant. Throttle wall is generally constant pressure in which enthalpy remains constant but pressure decreases.
नहीं, कौन सी डिवाइस लगाते हैं थ्रॉटलिंग के लिए?
थ्रोटलिंग के लिए जनरली थ्रोटलिंग के लिए throttle wall, sir, only throttle wall.
Don't you know capillary tube? कॉपर की ट्यूब होती है
Yeah,
capillary.
sir, capillary tube also.
तो कैपिलरी ट्यूब में प्रेशर फॉल कैसे करता है? Tell me
Sir,
something about the throttling process.
Sir, throttling process, generally in throttling process, sir, what happens that due to some type of friction arises and due to which the pressure begins to drop as well as in that enthalpy remains constant.
That is
It
my
may be
question कि friction हुआ, मतलब प्रेशर कैसे फॉल किया?
Sir, pressure generally drops. So during expansion, generally pressure drops.
नहीं, because pressure drops, so it is expansion, and pressure drops because of friction.
Yeah.
The capillary tube.
Yes, sir.
तो फ्रिक्शन नॉर्मल अगर ट्यूब ले लेते, कैपिलरी नहीं लेते, तब भी तो प्रेशर ड्रॉप हो जाता नहीं? Why do we take only capillary tube?
Sir, I don't know regarding.
Okay. अच्छा नितिन, मेरे को बताओ, why you are choosing Satara department?
Sir, the reason that motivated me to choose Sitara department was, sir, actually I belong from agricultural family. Sir, what generally I had seen, frankly speaking, regarding the issues, sir, that when it is the time of perishable seasons, when vegetables and some items are just we are just bringing to our home, sir, actually the problem of cold storage generally occurs. Sir, means that perishable items, sir, that generally gets rotten. For example, that palak and other tomatoes, sir, if they are not given proper storage, then what actually happens that they generally gets rotten, and sir, because of which we suffer huge losses. Generally, I am from Maharashtra area in Katun.
So what do you want to do?
Sir, actually, I am thinking that I am planning to design such a system that, sir, this loss which could be minimized to some extent regarding the cold storage. So means I want to develop something in the field of cold storage so that we can just minimize these losses which are occurring every year in our farm.
Okay, how do you want to do that? How you want to minimize the losses?
Sir, actually by developing a cold storage system, sir, cold storage systems are of various types. Sir, so my aim is that the perishable items that comes under the category of mediumly perishable items, sir, we can provide them a cooling arrangement so that we can maintain their moisture and temperature at particular level with the help of that our storage system. And going through briefings, I learned that there are several projects being operated on cold storage system. So I am having some interest regarding that. I would like to work on it.
Cold storage. तो अभी cold storage कौन provide करता है?
Sir, generally cold storage, I'm not having idea, but actually that cost.
Is there any project related to cold storage running in Satara department as of now?
No, actually they are completed, but 1 year earlier there is to run a project. Now it has been completed.
Okay, Nitin, and tell me something about this refrigeration and air conditioning. दोनों में difference क्या है?
Sir, refrigeration and air conditioning, sir, both cycles generally operate on a principle. Sir, refrigeration generally operates on VCRS cycle, whereas the air conditioning, sir, in terms of air conditioning, sir, actually both terms are related to performing the human comfort only. But actually in refrigeration we have to obtain the desired output. Means in refrigeration, actually our aim is to provide a cooling. In terms of air conditioning, whereas in refrigeration, sir, our main aim is to extract the heat from the lower temperature reservoir and to send it to higher temperature reservoir, thus producing the cooling effect.
अच्छा, तो COP जो होगा वो सेम रहेगा रेफ्रिजरेशन और एयर कंडीशनिंग में?
No, sir, actually the COP varies.
Okay, किस में ज्यादा रहेगा?
Sir, COP is generally, sir, where our comfort level is more in our air conditioner. I think COP level must be higher.
Why?
Sir, because actually here, sir, generally air is being compressed.
Mhm.
Sir, so compression of air requires a large work input.
तो दोनों में तो एयर ही तो कंप्रेस कर रहे हो आप, रेफ्रिजरेशन भी और एयर कंडीशनिंग में भी.
So in refrigeration, we are not compressing actually air because it will become the reverse Brayton cycle there.
ओके.
In
अच्छा टेल मी, पंप और कंप्रेसर में क्या डिफरेंस है?
sir, I don't know.
नो, पंप वाटर या लिक्विड पे वर्क करता है, कंप्रेसर.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. Generally, the pump is used to transfer water by suction, whereas the compressor is generally used to compress the vapors. That is the air.
तो किस में वर्क कम करना पड़ता है?
Sir, generally, if we see in terms of electricity, that if we are running particular, generally in terms of cooler in our house, it costs less electricity, consumes less electricity as compared to the air conditioner. So I think the more work is done in terms of air conditioner.
कंप्रेसर में ज्यादा वर्क करना पड़ता है ना?
Yeah, sir.
Why?
Sir, because compressing the vapor requires large amount of work input as compared to uplifting of water.
Have you do you know what is steady flow work?
Steady flow work, yeah, sir, but I generally know the equation regarding the steady flow work.
Minus VDP work?
Minus VDP work, yes, sir, for open system.
हाँ, तो अब मेरे पंप और कंप्रेसर दोनों ओपन सिस्टम है, both are open system.
Yes, sir.
Now can you use this equation minus VDP and tell me why compressor work is more for same DP, for same pressure rise? अगर मेरे को कूलर में एंड कंप्रेसर में सेम प्रेशर राइज करवाना हो, डेल्टा पी सेम है, तो V किसका ज्यादा होता है, एयर का या वाटर का?
Sir, V actually air has a very less amount of specific volume.
Very less.
Yes, sir. So for air it is very less. It is
तो
0.
डेंसिटी एयर की ज्यादा होती है या लिक्विड की?
सर डेंसिटी तो लिक्विड की ज्यादा होती है.
तो स्पेसिफिक वॉल्यूम किसका ज्यादा होगा?
What the density? There is the volume. Yes, sir, of water.
तो V ज्यादा हो गया एयर का.
Yes, sir.
एंड V ज्यादा है तो एयर का फिर कंप्रेशन वर्क भी ज्यादा हो जाएगा फॉर सेम
Yes,
डीपी.
Yes, sir.
There is a reason compression work is more for compressor because it deals with gas and gas का specific volume is very high.
Yes, sir.
That is how it goes, right? That is what we do. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Nitin, let me give you the feedback now.
Yes, sir.
See, एक तो सटारा का पहले आप अपना बीटेक का प्रोजेक्ट ढंग से रिवाइज कर लो. बीटेक का प्रोजेक्ट तुम्हें नहीं आता, पहले ये देखो कि जो डोमेस्टिक का आपका कंप्रेसर है, डोमेस्टिक फ्रिज में कौन सा कंप्रेसर यूज करते हैं, हर्मेटिकली सील्ड कंप्रेसर कौन सा होता है, रिवाइज दैट.
Yes,
राइट? और उसको कैसे तुमने एयर कंडीशनिंग में चेंज किया वो मेरे को समझ तो नहीं आया, उसको एक बार दोबारा एक्सप्लेन आप करना, ढंग से समझना उसको क्या है वो.
सर एक्चुअली मैं हिंदी में बताना चाहता हूँ. सर जो कंप्रेसर था, एक्चुअली सर वहां से हम लोगों ने ऐसे 2 बाईपास वॉल निकाले थे उस कंप्रेसर से. सर एक्चुअली जो रेफ्रिजरेशन साइकिल की जो 2 वॉल्स आती है कंप्रेसर को जो कनेक्ट करती है, सर उन्हीं 2 वॉल से हम लोगों ने एक बाईपास निकाला था जो एक्चुअली सर वो एयर कंडीशनर पे जाता था. तो हम लोगों ने सबसे पहले वहां पर वाटर कूल कंडेंसर उसके पैरेलल में लगाया था और उसके बाद हम लोगों ने जो डक्ट रहती है उसके अंदर सर फिंड एवापोरेटर लगाया था. सर तो एक क्या हो रहा था एक्चुअली कि हम लोग जब वॉल को स्टार्ट करते थे तो सर उस टाइम पे जो रेफ्रिजरेंट होता था वो फ्लो होता था सर, और वो जाता था एयर कंडीशनिंग के वो कंप्रेसर और फिंड एवापोरेटर के थ्रू, और सर वो उस टाइम पे एसी का काम करता था.
एक बार आप अपने बीटेक का जो प्रोजेक्ट है वो विशाल सर के साथ एक बार स्नैप लगाओ.
Yes, sir.
विशाल सर के साथ स्नैप लगाओ बीटेक के प्रोजेक्ट का, राइट? एंड ये आप उसमें जाओ, सटारा डिपार्टमेंट में जाओ और देखो प्रोफेसर्स कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट हैंडल कर रहे हैं इस डोमेन से रिलेटेड, जो आपका डोमेन है.
हाँ, सर.
कौन कौन से प्रोजेक्ट वो हैंडल कर रहे हैं वो थोड़ा सा देखो सटारा डिपार्टमेंट में,
Yes, sir.
राइट? उसको चेक कर लो एक बार कि क्या क्या प्रोजेक्ट वो हैंडल कर रहे हैं, क्यों ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं. उसके बाद कोल्ड स्टोरेज स्टार्ट करना है तो कोल्ड स्टोरेज की डिटेल्स पढ़ लो, कि
Yes,
कोल्ड
sir.
स्टोरेज में किस चीज की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है और कोल्ड स्टोरेज प्रेजेंटली किस डोमेन में काम कर रहा है, वो थोड़ा सा पढ़ लो.
Yes,
Why
sir.
you want to join Satara? So what is the projects which are going on in Satara department and cold storage में आप क्या handle करना चाहते हैं? These details you please find out.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
सर ये ठीक रहेगा क्या बोलना कि मेरे को कोल्ड स्टोरेज के अंदर मतलब ये
हाँ ठीक रहेगा. आपने देखना कि सर मैंने पेरिशेबल गुड्स देखा और पेरिश होता है, तो एज मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर थर्मल डोमेन इज माय फेवरेट डोमेन. मैंने प्रोजेक्ट भी कुछ वैसे ही किया है, तो मैं उसी डोमेन में एज ऑफ नाउ मेरे दिमाग में ये है कि मैं उस डोमेन में काम करना चाहूंगा. बाकी विद पैसेज ऑफ टाइम 2 साल की मेरी लर्निंग के बाद आई विल सी सर व्हाट डोमेन आई वुड लाइक टू वर्क, बट एज ऑफ नाउ दिस इज देयर इन माय माइंड. राइट?
Yes,
तो इसको रिवाइज कर लो, बीटेक प्रोजेक्ट रिवाइज कर लो, आरएसी का सब्जेक्ट याद कर लो, थर्मोडायनेमिक्स को रिवाइज कर लो, एंड सटारा डिपार्टमेंट विजिट कर लो और देख लो क्या प्रोजेक्ट्स वहां पे चल रहे हैं. डू दिस थिंग.
सर और इंस्ट्रूमेंट उसमें
राइट, इस पे वर्कआउट करो जितना मैंने आपको बताया. डिपार्टमेंट देख लो. व्हेन इज योर इंटरव्यू ऑन सटारा?
टुमारो.
टुमारो. ठीक है. ऑल द बेस्ट नितिन एंड गिव योर बेस्ट देयर. हाँ, अभी इतना देख लो जितना मैंने बताया.
हाँ ठीक है सर, मैं फीडबैक शेयर करूंगा फिर उसके बाद इंटरव्यू.
सॉरी?
सर मैं फीडबैक शेयर करूंगा इंटरव्यू के बाद.
यस यस, थैंक्स अ लॉट. सो श्योरली विल डू दैट. एंड अभी कल इंटरव्यू दो. लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोस. फाइन. थैंक यू.